Hi everyone, this is Vincent, an FAE from Emdoor Information, and today we are going to unbox the tablet, our first generation of vehicle-mounted tablet, and get an overview of its specification and application scenario. And today it would be a great chance to get an internal view of the layout of parts and modules inside the tablet. So please welcome to join us. And there are four parts of today's live show. The first part will be the design concept. So now let's move to the first part. As a global leading as a leading global provider of the rugged tablet, Emdoor Information has come a long way of development and manufacture of rugged tablet, and we have received a lot of the inquiries about solutions applied on the vehicles like trucks, the forklift, or some heavy machinery in the warehousing, the manufacturing, the distribution, the transportation, and any other fields. So we have such an idea to develop a brand new tablet just to be applied, especially for the vehicle. So that's the reason why this model has come into being. And compared to the regular rugged tablet, there are several differences. The first one, the biggest one, would be the port. And as we all know, for the rugged tablet, there is always some DC jack or the Type-C port for the power supply or some USB port for the connection. But for the vehicle mounted tablet, since the rugged environment with some ramps, some bumps, some rough surfaces on the road, so the connection should be very secure and fixed. So we remove all those regular ports to be replaced with the aviation port to be secure. And the second difference would be the battery. For the rugged tablet, it is always equipped with a big battery of endurance time of more than 5 hours working time. But for the vehicle multi-tablet, it is always working inside the vehicle. So we offer two battery solutions. One is no battery at all, and the other one is we provide a small battery. Since in some use cases they want to use the tablet out of the vehicle to save data or in case of the power loss. And the last difference would be the back panel for the rugged tablet. The back panel would be very thick and very robust. But to reduce the weight of the tablet, and since it is always erratic to be mounted on the vehicle, we try to reduce the weight by making the back panel to be lighter and easily mounted on the vehicle. So now, and for this generation of the vehicle mounted tablet, we have developed two models, which is the VPC 80J, and the other one would be the VPC 10J, as you can see on the screen. The biggest difference between these two models is the size of the display. The 8 from the 80J stands for 8-inch display, while for the VPC 10J, 1 means the 10.1 inch display. So the model for the TP and the LCD between these two models are different, and except that they share the same configuration, since they share the same CPU platform of Intel Just Lake and 5100, which is a 4-core CPU and working under a base frequency of 1.1 gigahertz. For the memory configuration, the standard version would be 4 plus 64 gigabyte for RAM and ROM, and there's a request for the MOQ for the upgraded memory configuration of 8 plus 128 gigabyte for the memory configuration. So if you wanted to upgrade it to the higher or bigger memory, please communicate with our salesman before you order. And the power supply is a wide voltage of 11 to 24 voltage. With respect to the GPS module, for the standard version, it comes with U-Block 7, providing GPS and groundness. And if you wanted to provide more GNSS like Galileo or Beidou, you can communicate with our salesman to be upgraded to the U-Block MAQ, as you can see on the screen. And for the OS, the ATJ comes with the Windows 10 Home. You can also choose the Windows 10 IoT or Pro. VPC 10J, it has many more options of the equipping with the Windows 11. Also, you can choose the Pro, IoT, or the Home, different version from Windows 10 and Windows 11.